Is that a fake YouTube play button? What is this? Oh my god, it's the pencil 308.
Okay, but I'm barely at it. Oh, don't. I hate this music. Imagine I get scammed with this.
bạn giáo chủ nhiệm cả.
It's a bit too curvy.
Day 2 of cleaning up my desk. So today's task is to only decide which things to keep out of all the stuff here. This is not mine, guys. Today's my last day in my house. I'm low-key kind of missing it.
Get it.
Oh my god, we already have the vacuum here. Well, I just don't want the peacock. That's like low-key my least favorite one.
Oh, the bag is pretty.
The bag is pretty. Wait, that's
Wait, the rabbit. Oh my god, you got the rabbit finally. Oh my
I can't
god.
tell whatever.
Oh.
Thank you to Albert Eden for sponsoring this part of the video. Here are all the items that I got. This first item is a jersey and it's literally so pretty. Like, look at the colors. It's white and navy blue and the design on the back is so pretty. 77. Next is this hoodie and oh my god, I love this so much. The polka dot design is so cute and this cat theme is so cute. Like, look at the cat ears hood and it's like so pretty. I love it so much and it feels so comfortable. The next item are these black barrel like pants and They're black and they have like daisy they have a flower pattern and it's so comfortable. And this is the outfit I have so far. Finally, it's this like springs cloud set thing, and it feels so comfortable, and I feel like I could wear it as like some loungewear, and the color is so pretty and it's so cute. Go shop at AELFRIC EDEN using my code SPRING25 to save 25% on all purchases.